going to be making crispy air fryer gnocchi. Super fast, super delicious. It gets nice and crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. Great with marinara dipping sauce. So first you'll go to the store, you'll get shelf-stable gnocchi. It's going to be in the center aisles of the grocery store near all of the Italian stuff. So any other regular pasta that you're used to buying there, you're gonna see gnocchi. So you'll open it up and kind of break it apart into a bowl. And then you'll see it's just little potato dumplings. And then first you put some oil on it so that way your seasonings can stick to it. And mix that up a little bit so everything is evenly coated. And then we're gonna add some dried spices and seasonings. So we have some dried basil, dried oregano, granulated garlic, granulated onion, and then a little bit of salt and pepper to heighten everything. So then you get everything evenly coated and pop it into your air fryer basket. And then you're going to air fry it at 390 degrees for 11 to 14 minutes. And for even air frying, you'll want to shake the basket a couple times during the cooking so that way everything gets kind of evenly toasted. And once it looks brown to your liking, you can go ahead and pull them out. You can serve air fryer gnocchi with marinara sauce, and that's my favorite. Or you could do barbecue sauce, cocktail sauce, ranch dressing, whatever suits your taste. And that's all there is to it. Just dig in.